important to give your hair a really great brushing every single night and really get into the scalp and really move that hair around. Go ahead, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to blow dry the base of the hair. It's always important that we blow dry the base of the hair. Shampoo and conditioner. Make sure that you towel dry the hair thoroughly, yes, in the shower, and take out as much moisture as possible. It's important that your conditioner is placed on your hair when your hair is not soaking wet because it dilutes your conditioner. So towel dry, add your conditioner, and make sure that your conditioner goes all the way from scalp to ends.
I'm going to take the pony off, because there's the pony.
Oh!